Hi there, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Android and iOS device as extended or secondary display of your PC or laptop. So stay tuned to find out how. Also, if you are a live streamer, this will come very handy. By the way, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified to our next tutorial video. Shout out to the following from our last tutorial video. Our first step is to set the primary machine. In our case, is the laptop. On the primary machine, open your browser and go to spacedesk.net. Once on the site, you can click the download button to download the Spacedesk driver. But first, let us check the system requirements. It is also good to note that Spacedesk supports the touchscreen capabilities of your devices. This setup is supposed to run with a Windows 10 and Windows 8.1 machine. But if you have tried this with a Windows 7 having a graphics adapter, let me know in the comment section below. Secondary machine requirements should be Windows 7, Windows 8.1, Windows 10. Can be an Android phone greater than version 4.1. In our case, is the Galaxy J5. Can be an iOS device greater than version 9.3. In our case, is the iPad Air. Once you are set, you can download now the Spacedesk driver according to your system and device. Note that the size of the Spacedesk driver is about 5.1 MB. It is obviously very small. It won't take that much space. Once the download is complete, click the downloaded file to begin installing the Spacedesk driver. Then follow the next steps as shown on the screen. When done installing, go back to your Windows desktop. Go to the taskbar below and click the arrowhead icon near the notification area. You will find the Spacedesk driver icon there. Click it. Here we can turn the driver on and off and see our remote connections. Since we have not yet set up our iOS and Android devices, it will display no remote connection for now. So let's move on to our next device. Now, we will set up an iOS device. In our case, is an iPad Air 3rd Gen. On your iOS device, go to the App Store and search for the Spacedesk app. Once you open the Spacedesk app, it will automatically detect the primary machine. Clicking the IP address of the primary machine will deploy your iOS device as a secondary or expanded display. There you go, your iOS device is a duplicate of your laptop or PC. Lastly, we will set up an Android device. In our case, it's a Galaxy J5. On your Android device, go to the Play Store and search for the Spacedesk app. version, once you open the Spacedesk app, it will automatically detect the primary machine. Clicking the IP address of the primary machine will deploy your Android device as a secondary or extended screen. So there you go. Like your iOS device that we set up earlier, your Android device is now a shared screen too for your laptop or PC. So we are now finished with the setup. Let's verify the functionality for extra displays in two ways. First is using the mouse, and second is using the touch screens. So we just started with test 1. Let's see. Okay, we encountered no issues with test 1 using the mouse. So now let's proceed with test 2 using the touch screens. Obviously, there is no major issue encountered with test 2 using the touch screens. By the way, if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Our goal is to at least get 1,000 likes for this video. That could mean that we help at least 1,000 persons. I know that is quite a big goal, but with your help, nothing will be impossible. See you next time.